What you're looking at might seem like the most boring object in the world. Inside a glass jar, a black substance sits completely still. It doesn't move, it doesn't make a sound, and it has been sitting there for nearly a century. However, this static image hosts the ultimate test of patience in modern science. Starting in 1927 at the University of Queensland in Australia, this process has gone down in history as the longest-running laboratory experiment ever known.
Before start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's begin.
It all began with physicist Thomas Parnell, who wanted to prove a simple yet startling truth. Some substances may look like solids, but they are actually liquids with incredibly high viscosity. Parnell filled a glass funnel with a tar-like substance called pitch. At room temperature, pitch is so brittle that if you hit it with a hammer, it shatters like glass. Yet Parnell knew that this material was actually a fluid billions of times more viscous than water, and that, given enough time, it would eventually flow. It took 3 full years just for the pitch to settle in the funnel. In 1930, the neck of the funnel was cut, and the slowest wait in history officially began. It took 8 long years for the very first drop to fall. The second drop didn't arrive until 9 years after that. To date, in nearly 100 years, only 9 drops have ever fallen from the funnel. But the most striking part of the experiment is that despite nearly a century passing, no scientist has ever actually seen a drop fall with their own eyes. Parnell, who started the experiment, passed away without ever witnessing a single drop. The story of Professor John Mainstone, who took over the mantle and watched the experiment for 52 years, turned into a bit of a scientific tragedy. In 1988, when the 7th drop fell, Mainstone stepped out for just a few minutes to grab a coffee and missed the historic moment. During the 8th drop in 2000, the camera suffered a technical glitch at the exact second of the fall, failing to record it. Like Parnell before him, Mainstone passed away in 2014 without ever seeing that final second he had dedicated his life to. Today, the experiment is under the care of Professor Andrew White and is broadcast live to the world 24/7. Tens of thousands of people watch the screen, waiting for the moment that mysterious black drop finally breaks away. The 10th drop is expected to fall sometime in the late 2020s. But even small changes, like the installation of air conditioning in the lab, can delay the process by years. The pitch drop experiment is more than just a physics test. It is proof that science is a relay race passed down through generations. It reminds us that faster is not always better, and that the greatest discoveries sometimes require unshakable patience and loyalty that spans lifetimes. That drop will eventually fall. The real question is, who will be watching when it does?
I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.